So, so this is the backside of Sanyan Temple, and according to folklore, this back here was inhabited by a Yao Dao. Now, a Yao Dao is an evil Taoist priest, and their notoriety is for resurrecting bodies. So why would you want to resurrect the body? Why? Well, I mentioned of a Xuanwumen, if you died, you would go back to your hometown. But some places in China are extremely rural and hard to get to the point even carts wouldn't. So how do you transport a bunch of corpses? So you hire a Yao Dao. He will resurrect them. They'll be in a line. They'll have someone in the front with a lantern. They would do it at night, and people would see these people hopping, behind as they would move through the countryside. Now, yes, the Zheng. Now, going back to this, so the reason why they said about a Yao Dao was, as I mentioned, in the 60s, they kind of knocked a bunch of walls, refurbished this for housing. Well, when they dug up in the dirt, they found a lot of literally hundreds of human remains, because we're very close to the execution ground. So was someone doing a whole resurrection, Frankenstein, whatever. But yes, so the Zhengshi, or Chinese zombie, is not like the Western counterpart. They don't eat brains. They remove your life force, your qi. So Heyi's going to pass out some little things for you on their forehead, here, like that. Now he's under my command. I can tell him what to do. Go get us some snacks. Okay. So off he will go to get us some snacks. Now, going back to there were tons of eyewitness reports of people witnessing these bodies hopping at night. Now, the cynical person would say, well, part of that is true. A person in the back with poles under their arms, so as they were carrying them, they would tend to hop, all right? I prefer the original, but that's me. So make sure you hold on to those, because they can protect you from junctures. Okay? Come with me.
Getting back to Zombie Center.
Okay, that was genuinely scary.